Hello everyone, my name is Richie and welcome to my channel, Rich and Lux. Today I'm gonna do more unboxings. Yes, it's the first video of 2021 and first unboxing of 2021. I had like a couple of packages that were late for Christmas, so I'm just gonna do an unboxing today. Also, I have an item from this newly released 1824 collection, Bleu Collection. So you can wait for that towards the end of this video. Anyways, I have here a couple of boxes. Let's just get to it. But before that, I just wanted to thank you guys again for subscribing and supporting my channel. I hope you guys, subscribe, those who have not yet subscribed, and continue to support. All right, so first I have this J.Crew box. Actually, I have 3 of these. I just pre-opened them, and it's actually shoes. They are actually made in Italy. It says here, its lining is leather, sole is synthetic, but the lining is leather. So yep, it says made in Italy. So if I was to buy one, it was about 118 for one pair. But if I buy 3, oh, the other one didn't come with a dust bag. Huh. This one has that dust bag, but this one doesn't. Oh, that's weird. Anyways, yeah, so if I buy 3, it was $108, so go figure. So it comes with this nice kind of linen dust bag here. So I'm size 7.5. And this one. So this cut right here, I think usually it makes it a little bit less tight, because you know how if it's pointy it's usually tight, but because of the Dorset cut, I think that's where it gives you a little bit more room there. So one more for $120 for 3 versus 108 for 1, right? So that's that. So there's no dust bag on the back. Oh well. Next, we have here a little box. This one I just kind of bought for myself for supposed to be Christmas, but they came in late. They're like little nothings, not nothings, but little random things that I wanted to try just so I can get the packaging of these fashion houses. But it's still usable, functional. So oh, this is the Hermes one. So this is my first ever Hermes purchase. I got a soap. This was not supposed to be the one that I was gonna order, but I got the wrong one. I guess when you're rushing. It was supposed to be the one with the green box I saw when one of YouTubers, Shelly, unboxed it, and I was like influenced by her, so I wanted to buy it just because of the packaging. But unfortunately, this is the one that I clicked on, not knowing, and I couldn't cancel it. But it smells so good. Savon perfume soap. So yeah, I got this for Yes, $37, guys. Just so I can experience the packaging, but I didn't even get the orange box. Anyways, I'll treasure it and savor the scent while I use it. Or maybe I can give it to my husband because it has a masculine smell to it. So that's that. And I have here another one. Oops, Dior. And then Dior. So I just wanted to experience, I guess, because you know, this is my not even a year of my luxury journey, so I'm spoiling myself. Oh, this is supposed to be part of my Christmas presents, but they came too late. So, yep. It's nice. Oh, and I love Dior's packaging actually. They just give you that nice experience. Oh, and I have my samples. And this is the good thing too, you get free samples. So these are Sauvage and Miss Dior. So, and that one, this one I'm not sure what this is. Hermes perfume also. Another sampler right there. Oh, supposed to be 2 samples, but I guess I only got 1. Okay. So that's the sample. Sometimes, you know, you just want to buy these just because you love, I just love to unbox and open the packaging. Don't you guys? So another soap. This one's really good, smells good too. Palade Sauvage. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation there. But yeah, I got these perfume soap. So nice. And at least I got this nice box too. We have another late one. Guess what it is? Ta-da! Chanel. Oh, see, it's still the holiday packaging, and of course envelope. And I got the, oh, this is much smaller, I think. Let's see. I have the Chanel No. 5 Bleu perfume, so I wanted to get this to complement the perfume. And I got another hand cream. Oh, this is more matte than the other one that I have. It's like real egg texture. So, and it's smaller too. So. Yes, I just used that. Nice egg shell. It's actually, it smells good. Okay, so that's that, you guys. I love collecting boxes, but we'll see. And the ribbons, we'll see what we can do with all these boxes later. And finally, I got this from the new released collection of 1824, the Bleu Collection. Guess what I got? Something small, and I just got it today at the store. So let's open it without further ado. Ta-da! Oops. So it's a bundle from the 1824 no, 1854 collection. Right there. And I tried on some, you know, this is the SKU number if you are interested. I like that there's that touch of kind of yellow gold there. One of my favorite colors is blue. Of course, the white and beige, and it has a little bit of that yellow too. So love this. So I went to go grab it today because when I went to the website, it said it's available at one of the stores close by. So I went today, and I just didn't want to run out of this thing. So yes, this is what I got today from the 1854 Bleu Collection, which was just released, I believe, last week. So I'm gonna try to put it on my Alma BB right here. I don't know how to do this, but I'm gonna. I think it's too big for me to, you know how you guys do the I don't really know how to do this, and it's probably too big for so I don't know. I tried to do it, but I don't know how to tie this. But I guess it's supposed to be like this, right? And then I don't know. It's just funny. So it's 100% silk, as do all bandeaus, I believe, in LV. So let's see if I can do justice to this bandeau. Oh my goodness. Ta-da! Oops, wait. I don't know if I did justice on this one, but I think I did. So, ta-da! I need to take out the tag first. But I guess this is another way to stylize this little mini BB, right? What do you think, guys? Comment down below what you think. I think it's too big, but I think I need to learn how to do these bows, make it a little prettier. Oop. Right? So that's just my quick unboxing, my 2021 first luxury haul. Small haul, but yeah. So let me know what you think about this bandeau. It's not, you need to learn to make those nice pretty bows. It's really nice. I love the color of this. Been waiting for like a blue bandeau, like just simple. So I love it. I'm glad I got a pair. I mean, I got one. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye. So this is the difference of this one. It's more of an eggshell texture matte, and this one's glossier. So I guess that's the difference. Yeah, just wanted to show you that one. And this one is actually hand and body cream, it says here. But this one's only hand. So, yep. There you go.